Okay, so we're going to be downloading MetaMask for your wallet. You go to metamask.io and you're going to click download up here, depending on what you have.
And you have to be using Firefox, correct?
Yeah, this is going to be for Mozilla Firefox. You continue to installation when it asks that. Just hit add, hit OK. It's going to bring up the extension up here. If you don't see that, then you click on this little puzzle piece and you can click, there's a little wheel here, you click on that and you pin it to the toolbar. Sometimes there's an error when it first loads up. That's normal. And so if you see this, just hit restart. It's perfectly fine. That happens all the time with this. And so when it does restart, you're going to go up here and click on the little Firefox head. And what we're going to do is we're going to import our seed phrase, our 12-word seed phrase that we have. And basically, we're just going to come down here, go to import an existing wallet. Go down and hit no thanks on that. And this is where you enter your seed phrase. You start right here, enter the first word, go to the second, all the way through. When you are done with that, you hit confirm, and it may ask you to retype it, and basically you just keep hitting confirm, and it'll take you to where the wallet is set up. So since that's all you have to do, that'll take you to your MetaMask there.
All right. Is that all we need to know?
That's it.
All right. Awesome. Well, be sure to follow PLS Savior on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. We are here for all of your MetaMask and Pulsechain, PulseX, and Hex questions. Appreciate it, y'all, and looking forward to seeing you next time.